What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Long time no see. I told you guys it would probably be a while before I made another video. The last video I did, I think, was the one about the stolen cars coming from Japan, popping up over here in the States. We're not gonna go into that this video. I just kind of wanted to give you guys an update of where I'm at, what I'm doing, what I've been up to, why I haven't been making YouTube videos, and just kind of set forth what's gonna be happening over the next month or two, I guess, and kind of get you guys a little bit excited, because I'm excited. Now first, we still have the old Neon. She's still doing good. Haven't really been doing anything to her. I tried to make it super JDM by putting some yellow fogs on there, but that's actually the only thing I've done to it other than another oil change. I've just been using it as an awesome daily. It's one of the most fun cars I've ever owned for daily driving. It's not that fun to take it up to the mountains, but daily driving this car, back and forth to the gym, back and forth to, I guess I really don't have a real job right now either, but just driving it around, doing things, it's super fun. Now another huge update, we bought a house. As you guys know, we returned from Japan late last year, and I was living with my parents until we could find a place to buy for ourselves, and we have purchased our own home. It's nothing huge, it's nothing super fancy, but it is really nice. It's been completely remodeled. It was built, I think, in 1960, but it's been completely renovated. We got some solar panels up there. The inside's super nice. I don't want to get in too much though. I mean, I kind of want to try to keep a little bit of privacy about it. I know I'm not a huge, big, famous YouTuber, like, who knows, like Roman Atwood or something. I don't think I have to worry about too many people showing to my house, but it's happened before, and I don't want it to happen really again, so try to not show too much of the house so you guys can't pick out where it's at. But some updates that are going on. First of all, more cars coming to America. As you guys know, I sold the GTO, the 180, and the Delica, and now I've purchased some more cars. And I don't want to tell you all quite yet everything that's coming, but I will tell you, you can go to my Instagram that's right here somewhere on the screen, and you can see all the cars that are coming. I kind of want to plug my Instagram. I want to build my Instagram up a little bit more and use that as kind of a nice sales platform. But I will tell you one car that's coming, because I do want to get you guys a little bit excited. Do you remember the Supra I drove while I was in Japan? The silver Supra SCR? She's coming to America, baby. It's been a while. I know we kind of had talked about it when I was still in Japan, but that one will be here. It should be here sometime at the end of August, maybe. We'll have to see exactly. The cars will be leaving Japan hopefully near the end of this month, and it takes about 4 weeks to get here. But I'm excited, the Supra's coming, and a few other cars are coming too. So head over to my Instagram, check that out, and you guys can get a good idea of what cars are coming. And if you're interested in them, let me know. Send me a DM on Instagram. I don't know how it is for you guys right now where you live, but South Carolina is somewhat relaxed on the COVID-19 stuff, all the restrictions of what you can and can't do. The beaches are still open here. Restaurants and things like that are open, like half capacity. There's some things going on, some racing events. Greenville Pickens Speedway, if you're familiar with NASCAR. That was the first televised NASCAR event, fully from start to finish, was at Greenville Pickens Speedway, and that's like 5 minutes down the road. They have like some half kind of capacity, like you can go on the back stretch and sit in the back of your truck and watch, but you can't go on the grandstands, I guess. But as far as car shows and everything, like, it's been nothing. There has been nothing going on, nothing to film, nothing exciting to share. Not many people have even been going on many mountain drives or anything like that. And right now, with only having the Neon, I really don't care to go on too many mountain drives. So I just really haven't had much to film, so that's why I haven't. Now, I have been participating in weekly go-kart league races. There's a place called Speed Factory Indoor Karting, and it's over in Greenville, and it's a lot of fun. It is a lot of fun. I saw one of their ads on Facebook back whenever kind of we moved back here, talking about their league starting up, and I had never raced there. So their league racers there have to run below a certain time, or if you can't run below a certain time, you can pay an extra VIP membership fee, and then you can run in the league races too. So obviously never running there, I had to pay the VIP, but totally worth it. I have gained so much time. Some of those dudes there are ridiculously fast, and I'll probably never be on their level, but since starting, I've gotten so much better. We've had 7 races. I do have some video clip footage I'll show in this one, but it's tons of fun and a great way to spend a Sunday night. Last Sunday, yesterday, it was a 120 lap race, and man, that'll kick your butt doing 120 laps in those things. You get out of those things sweating and sore, but it's a ton of fun. This first footage I have right here, let's go ahead and start with the blooper. It's me crashing on a restart. I think this is the second stage. It was the restart, and this modified track they were doing it's you could use a shortcut only twice per stage, and I used that shortcut on the first lap of the restart to try to get ahead of some people, but I had a bad entry into the corner after that, and then that led to us being too wide going down the long stretch and into the first corner at the start finish. And on the outside it's a bit slick right there, and I ended up spinning around, hitting the wall, and somebody hit me and somebody hit the guy behind him, so it was kind of a domino effect. Check it out. And then I have about 30 minutes or so of footage of actual racing, and I'm not gonna put that all in here. One, because I don't think you guys wanna watch 30 minutes of go-kart racing. And two, because I gotta figure out a way to better mount my GoPro. I had it mounted on one of the cart mounts there that were already on the cart, and it was a little bit too wiggly, so I think I'm gonna have to take my suction cup mount next time. But here is a little bit more footage, some battling between me and some of the other racers that were closer to where I was, near the mid and back of the pack. But it's tons of fun, check it out. Anyways, that's just kind of what I've been up to. I don't know. Oh, something fun that is happening in 2 days. Bristol. I'm going to Bristol Motor Speedway for the NASCAR All-Star race. This is like the first one they've actually allowed like somewhat large amount of fans. I think there's about 30,000 fans that are allowed to go. And it's gonna be like all social distance throughout the grandstands and stuff. But I am super excited, and I'm thinking about doing a video about that, because I know not everybody's gonna get to experience it, and it's kind of weird right now with COVID-19 and being one of the first huge public events kind of that people are allowed to go to. So I'm thinking about filming it. I don't know, maybe I won't, maybe I'll just enjoy my time and post some pictures on Instagram or some Instagram stories or something. So follow my Instagram for sure, just in case if you want to see any of that. But I am really stoked about that, and I can't wait to go check that out. But for now, I don't know, maybe see you guys in another month. It depends on when I just start making more videos. You know, I'm not trying to waste your time. I'm not trying to make filler content. Some of you might say build the Neon or something, but that's the only car I have right now. My wife drives the Jeep. I'm not gonna sit here and build the Neon when I need to get places and do things. And it's just not feasible at the moment to really build or modify a car. I'm trying to invest in the Japan stuff and get some cars over here. And once those cars come, we'll obviously have more content. So I don't know, if you guys have some other ideas for what I could do, something you might want to see. I've also been toying around with the idea of starting a second channel just for gaming and streaming and stuff, because I do play a lot of online racing games, a lot of NASCAR, a lot of Gran Turismo. But I don't know. I don't know what you guys want to see. That's why I haven't really been flooding this channel with just a bunch of filler nothing content. So I don't know. I don't know when the next time we'll talk. I don't know when the next time you guys will be watching one of my videos is, but we got some sweet cars coming, at least 3 cars, possibly 4 cars coming. So go check out my Instagram and see what we have coming. And I can't wait. I can't wait to have that Super back over here. That's gonna be fun. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one.